prize money supersized. G5 super fly should be supervised.
Welcome to Carter's Eat. Today we're making cloud eggs. And here is our bowl. We're placing 2 egg whites. I thought I was recording and already cracked 2 egg whites, but I'm demonstrating how I created the egg whites. We want a 1/2 cup of vinegar, and a smidget of salt. We are then going to whisk these egg whites until they turn to a meringue-ish, cloud-like image. And whisk and whisk and whisk and whisk until your wrist almost breaks off. Keep whisking. Don't blend with a blender or they could get too thin. So keep whisking. Voila, as Mama Ray Ray says, there's your meringue. Our clouds are here. Spray your pan and set your oven to 375. Now we place the clouds on your sheet pan and get ready to bake in the oven for 5 minutes until they brown. Because I had extra meringue, I made a 3rd cloud in case of error. Press your spoon into the clouds so that there is a place to rest your yolk. Be sure your clouds are fluffy and high. Wait, let me whisk the rest of this egg. Okay, they are out of the oven and they're all done. They may or may not have cooked long enough. I'm going to press it with my spoon to make room for my yolk. I'm glad I added a 3rd. We're putting 1 yolk in. Boop. Don't sink. Placing the 2nd yolk in. Oh no! That cloud wasn't cooked long enough. So 5 to 7 minutes. Until they're brown. And as you can see, these aren't quite brown enough. So the egg yolk is pressing through the meringue. No! After baking 5 more minutes with the yolk in the clouds, here are our results. With that excessive yolk that fell out of the cloud, we rolled it up into a pretty flour. And we're putting ours on liver mush instead of toast. Scrapple, liver pudding, liver mush. Oh my God, you guys, I am so pleased with my clouds. Don't they look amazing? Look at there, look at there. One egg is runny. The other is fried hard, what looks like a flower on the inside. I am so happy. Let me just tear this little piece of yellow away. I'll eat that. Got my fork. I'm dipping right into the egg white. And voila, as Mama Ray Ray says, you guys, it tasted like heaven. I added parsley, a little bit of salt to the top, a little bit of pepper, and Mima's breakfast is served. Oh, thank you for watching. Thank you for coming. I am so pleased with my clouds. Yes, yes. You can do it too. And get yourself some liver mush in your life. Look. Yes, I'm so pleased. Oh, another bite. I need another bite. Okay, here we go. Yum, yum. Bye-bye. Thank you. Thumbs it up. Subscribe, share the video, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Yes. Egg clouds. Yes. I found this recipe on Food Wishes. Go by, visit his channel, subscribe. He is a fantastic cook. Oh, here's the bloopers. I saw you lost. This is my way. I got cheese on it and bacon bits. And it's still a cloud.
Yep, it's a cloud.
Oh, look at the runny egg. Oh my God. Decadent. Make the cloud egg. Make the cloud egg. I'm gonna warm it up. I'll see you guys.
Do or die, open up your eyes, head to the sky, keep a mean bad mommy on the side. Make a tsunami, kamikaze on the mind, spit flow, paparazzi, flash shine, get dough, champagne, murder.